Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, I am going to be making a South Indian dish called Kadala Curry, which is a Kerala style brown chickpea curry. These are the ingredients needed to make this dish. 2 cups of brown chickpeas that have been soaked overnight, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 4 Thai chilies, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 garlic cloves, 2 curry leaf stems, 4 shallots, frozen or fresh grated coconut, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, fennel seeds, mustard seeds, coconut oil, and salt. First, grab the 2 cups of chickpeas that have been soaked overnight, drain the water from them, and add them to the pot, along with 6 cups of water. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Cover, bring to a boil, then reduce the flame to a medium-low and cook for 45 to 55 minutes until the chickpeas are more than halfway cooked. Then, while that's cooking, thinly slice up the onions, chop up the ginger, garlic, green chilies, tomatoes, and set aside. After 45 to 55 minutes have passed, add in all the onions, tomatoes, green chilies, garlic, and ginger, along with another 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir it all together, add 2 more cups of water, cover, and continue to cook on a medium to low heat for another 20 minutes. You can now start to make the coconut paste mixture. Grab a pan, add a tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add a teaspoon of fennel seeds and cook until they start to brown. Once the fennel seeds have slightly browned, add 1 cup of grated coconut and saute until the coconut browns in color. Make sure to maintain the temperature on a medium to low heat. After the grated coconut has browned, add 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 1/2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 heaping tablespoon of chili powder, and saute all the spices until the raw smell goes away. After the raw smell of the spices has gone away, place the coconut mixture on a plate to cool down before blending. Time to make the coconut paste. Add the coconut mixture to a blender and add 1 cup of water to it. Blend until it has become a smooth paste and add it to the pot. Then add another 1/4 cup of water to the blender and shake it up to make sure you get all the paste mixture out and add the rest to the pot. Mix, cover, and continue to cook everything for another 20 minutes. While that's continuing to cook, thinly slice up the shallots. Now for the tempering part. For those that don't know what tempering means, tempering is a method that is widely used in Indian cuisine as a final step, in which onions, herbs, or spices are heated and sauteed in oil or ghee. In other words, it plays a role as a final touch of flavor to the dish. So grab any small pan that you may have. Add 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds have sprouted and popped, add in the shallots and curry leaves. Saute the shallots until they turn golden brown in color, and then add it to the pot. Mix it all together. Your kadala curry is now ready to serve. You can eat this with chapati, puttu, any type of appam or side you may prefer. Enjoy! Thank you all so much for watching. Can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.